Hey everyone, Coach Adam here. Today, we're going to be practicing our hitting. Now hitting is definitely the fun part of baseball because that's how we get our points. Sometimes you may hit a ground ball, you may hit a pop-up, you may even be a strong hitter and able to hit a home run. But there's different techniques and different ways to swing the bat so that you can hit the ball where you want to. So, let's get to it. So what I wanted to do is show y'all somebody who really can hit the ball. So here's my friend Jack from Alhambra.
Hey guys, my name's Jack. I'm a sophomore at Alhambra High School and I play baseball. So yeah, let's get into it. So we're gonna first go over hitting and the proper ways to do it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you. I'm a lefty. Most of you might be right-handed, so I can go through it both. I'll start with lefty. So first you're gonna have your hands like this, normally, either like this or like this, just so you got the best grip you can possibly have. You're gonna wanna start out in the batter's box like this. You're gonna watch the pitcher. Once he comes set and gets ready to throw, you're gonna wanna load up. So the load up is like this. We're gonna do that. And when you see the pitch come to you, you're gonna drive through it and finish through like that. Or with two hands, it's pretty much preference on that. And so yeah, I'll go over with right-handed. It's pretty much the same exact thing. You're gonna go like this though. You're gonna wanna switch the hands. Same thing, load up, and you're gonna drive through and then go through and follow your swing. And yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. All right. This is what it's all gonna look like pretty much in a game. You know, this is just simulated. I'm just tossing it up, but this is what normally it's gonna look like.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Hopefully you learned from this video that regardless of what kind of hitter you are, that if you keep up your practice, you'll become a great hitter in no time. Whether you're good at hitting it far or hitting it short. So, thanks for watching.